Hi, my name is Tahmid. I'm a student consultant at HASSLEFREE Education. Today we're going to talk about business and accounting courses we offer. So, business and accounting with foundation year, which is 4 years. Business and accounting without foundation year, which is 3 years. So the foundation year is just an extra 1 year to learn the basics. So how much will this course cost you per year? So it's £9,250. If you earn over 27k, you can pay it back slowly through installments. So whereabouts is the campus? So we have campuses available in London and Birmingham. The entry requirements for foundation year is 48 UCAS points and English and Maths GCSE grade C/4. There are 3 things you must consider to be eligible to study this course. Number 1 is to be 19 and over. 2 is residency status. 3 is you must speak English at a minimum level. For residency status, you must either be British or have EU settlement status or a refugee/ILR. It will help you from A to Z, meaning from the start to finish. Also, we are giving out free laptops as well. So you'll receive a laptop after your student finance and you've been accepted to the university.
Hello, my name is Jazz. I'm studying a level 3 course with HASSLEFREE Education, and thank you for my free laptop.
Listening to all of this information about this course, if you'd like to give us a call, the number is down below. Thank you.